Dear student, today we learn in statistics direct method x bar equal to sigma xi fi upon sigma fi. Assume mean method x bar equal to a plus sigma fi di upon sigma fi, where di equal to xi minus a. A is a assume mean. Next, step deviation method x bar equal to a plus sigma fi ui upon sigma fi into h, where ui equal to xi minus a upon h. Some important question, solve this method. First question, class 0 to 6, 6 to 12, 12 to 18, 18 to 24, 24 to 30, and frequency 6, 8, 10, 9 and 7. Class 0 to 6, 6 to 12, 12 to 18, 18 to 24, 24 to 30. Find the class mark denoted by xi and frequency are given 6, 8, 10, 9 and 7. Class marks xi equal to upper limit plus lower limit upon 2. Upper limit 0, upper limit 6, lower limit 0, 0 plus 6 by 2, therefore 3. Lower limit 6, upper limit 12, adding 18, 18 by 2, 9. Next 15, 21 and 27. Class mark xi, formula upper limit plus lower limit upon 2. 0 plus 6, 6, 6 by 2, 3. 6 plus 12, 18, 18 by 2, 9. 12 plus 18, 30, 30 by 2, 15. Similarly, this. Find the xi into fi. 6 3 ja 18, 9 8 ja 72, 15 10 ja 150, 9 and 18, 7 7 ja 49 and 18. Using formula direct method, x bar equal to sigma xi fi upon sigma fi. Sum of frequency 7, 9, 16, 16, 10, 26, 26, 8, 34, 34 and 6, 40. And also find sigma xi fi, 9, 9, 18, 18 and 10, 28. 2 carry, 3, 10, 10 by 15, 15, 8, 23, 23, 31, carry 3, 3 and 3, 6. 6, 18, sigma xi fi. Put the value of formula 6, 18 upon 40. 61.8 upon 4. Divide by 15 4 ja 60. Point 18. 4 4 ja 16. 4 5 ja. Therefore, mean is 15.45. Next question. Using by assume mean method and solve the question number 2. Class mark xi, frequency fi, class 1000 to 1200, 1200 to 1400, 1400 to 1600, 1600 to 1800, 1800 to 2000, and frequency 10, 20, 20, 15 and 5. Find the class mark xi. Lower limit plus upper limit by 2. Lower limit plus upper limit 1000 plus 1200, 2200 by 2, 1100. 1200 plus 1400, 2600, divide by 2, 1300. Similarly, 1500, similarly, 1700, similarly, 1900. Solve the assume mean method. Let assume mean capital A, mid value of xi, mid value of 1100, 1300, 1500, 1700, 1900, total value 5, mid value is 1500, third value. Assume mean 1500. Next again find di. Di equal to, put the formula xi minus a. Xi as it is 1100, 1300, 1500, 1700 and 1900. Subtracting assume mean 1500, 1500, 1500, 1500 and 1500. Subtract minus 400, minus 200, 0, plus 200, plus 400. Next and last step, fi into di. 10 multiplied by minus 400, therefore 4000. 20 multiplied by 200, 0, 0, 0 and 4, negative. 20 multiplied by 0, all over 0. 15 multiplied 200, 3000. 5 multiplied by 400, 2000. And find the sigma fi di and sigma fi. 5 plus 15, 20, 20 plus 20, 40, 40 plus 20, 60 and 10, 70. Positive value sum 5000. Negative value sum 8000. Maximum value negative, therefore sign negative. 8000 minus 5000, 3000. Put the formula and find the value of x. X bar equal to assume mean method a plus sigma fi di upon sigma fi. A assume mean 1500 plus sigma fi di minus 3000 upon sum of frequency 70, 1010 cancel, 1500 plus minus minus 300 upon 7 divide by 7, 7 4 ja 28, 2, 7 2 ja 14, 6.60, 7 8 ja, and subtracting 1500 minus 14.2, 1500.00 and 42.8, 2, 7, 5, 4 and 1, 1457.2 is a mean. This assume mean method. Suppose let assume mean A, assume mean xi midpoint is 1500 and solve, put the value of formula and solve the mean. Next question, again assume mean method. Question number 3rd. Class mark xi and frequency. Class 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and frequency 6, 10, 13, 7 and 4. Find the class marks xi. Lower limit plus upper limit upon 2, 5. Lower limit plus upper limit upon 2, 15. Similarly, 25. Next 35. Next 45. Again find the di. Di equal to xi minus a. A is the assume mean. Let assume mean A equal to mid value of xi equal to 25. Di equal to xi minus a, xi 5, 15, 25, 35, 45 minus assume mean a means 25 subtracting. Simplify. 5 minus 25 minus 20 minus 10, 0 plus 10 and plus 20. Next and last step, fi into di. Multiply. 6 8 20, 120. 10 into 10, 100. 13 into 0, 0. 7 into 10, 70. 4 into 20, 80. Sum of positive number 150 and sum of negative number minus 220. Sigma fi di and sigma fi. 4, 7, 11, 11, 13, 24, 24, 10, 34, 34 and 6, 40. And 220 minus 150, sign negative 70. Put the value of formula x bar equal to a plus sigma fi di upon sigma fi. A assume mean 25 plus sigma fi di minus 70 upon sigma fi frequency 40. Cancel 0 to 0, 25 plus minus minus 7 upon 4, divide by 4, 25 minus 1.75, subtracting 23.25, then mean 23.25. Thank you.